Okay, that is a nice question to hear. My name is Teacher Anne. Actually, my name is
Hello,
Teacher May Anne. You can call me Teacher Anne. How about
hello,
you?
teacher. My name is Kevin.
Yeah, Kevin, nice to meet you. Can we shake hands here?
Teacher and nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Kevin. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Okay, you are 8 years old. I see. Well, how are you today? How are
I'm
you?
good, thank you, and you.
I am also doing great. This is our first meeting, so let's get to know each other for 5 minutes or for less than 5 minutes. So Kevin, can you tell me about yourself, like your family? Let's go first to your family. Do you have some
Oh,
brothers or sisters?
yes.
Yeah. What, brothers or sister? Or
I
both?
don't have a sister.
You don't have a sister, you only have brothers?
No,
No.
it's one me. It's only
Oh,
one me.
say it. I'm an only child. Teacher. You can say
I am only a
you,
child teacher. Only
I'm,
child teacher.
yes, I'm an only child. Okay. So again, if I ask you, Kevin, do you have some brothers or sisters? What will you say?
No,
No, because I am an only. Say
but
it.
I am the brother, sister, cousin.
Oh, really? Mm.
Cousin
How many?
is those.
A lot.
No, it's 12.
12. 12 cousins?
Yes.
How many are girls and boy?
Boy is 5. The girl is 6.
Oh. Boys are 5 and the girls are 6. Mm.
No, the
Okay. How,
yeah,
yeah. Uh, how old, how old is the youngest cousin you have?
is 3 years old.
3 years old. Do
No,
you?
no, no. 5 years old.
Okay. And 5 years old. And do you have a cousin who is the same age like you?
What?
Do you
What?
have a cousin who is also the same age like you? You are 8 years old. Do you have a cousin who is also 8 years old?
Vicky. Vicky.
Vicky? Her name is Vicky?
Yes.
Her name is
What?
Vicky, so she's a girl.
Yes.
Who is your closest cousin?
She same my years old.
Hmm?
She same my years.
She's the same age like me. Say it. She is
She
Vicky.
is she is Vicky. She is 8 years old.
Vicky. Okay, Vicky is the same age
Yes.
like me.
Yes. Teacher.
Okay.
Teacher.
Yes. Yes.
What?
Teacher can't hear you. Can you repeat what you ask?
What? Years old. How?
How old is teacher?
Yes.
I
So
am I am oh you count. I am
2, 29 years old.
yes, great
But
job.
my mom is 33 years.
Oh, your mom is 33 years old. She's still young. How about your dad? How old is your dad?
The 32 years.
Oh, okay. So only one year age gap, your mom and your dad. All right. So thank you, Kevin, for sharing some information related to yourself and your family. Now we are moving to your lesson tonight. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Let me just check and I'll show it right away. Ta-da! Do you see what's on my screen?
Yes.
Yes, I can. Say it. Yes, I can see it,
I
teacher. Okay, so if you are seeing what's on the screen, then you can read the chapter 3. What is it about?
is a black cat.
It's about the.
My chopper is about black cat.
I can't hear you clearly. Can you make your voice a little bit louder, please?
Teacher can hear me.
Yeah, it's better. Okay. Can you repeat what you said earlier?
Senses.
Senses. Let me see if you are familiar already with the senses in our body. Okay, how many senses
Yes.
do we have, Kevin?
I don't know.
Let us count. The teacher is here to help you out, okay? So we have
Okay.
first, we have the sense of sight. Say
One,
it. Sense of
two,
sense of sight. Sight. Can you point at your eyes? Where are your eyes, Kevin?
three.
I want to see your beautiful eyes. Here we go. Can you point at your eyes and do this? Yes. We use our eyes for
iPhone. See anymore.
yes, we use our eyes for seeing. We use our eyes to see things, right? So that's the first
Yes.
one.
Yes.
The first one. How about, can you point at your nose? Where's your nose, Kevin? There.
Yes.
We call it, so we have the second sense. It's a sense of
Is nose. Now we is the
sense of smell. We use our nose for smelling good and bad smell, right?
like smell.
Smell. What is the smell of fish? Is it good or bad? The smell of fish, is it good smell or bad smell? Do thumbs up
Bad.
if it's good. Do thumbs down if it's bad.
Okay.
Yeah, the smell of fish is
Is down head down good for you. Down good
bad
for your
smell.
head.
Bad smell. Say bad smell.
Bad smell.
Yes, sense of smell. So when we smell the fish, ew, it's bad smell, right? Yeah. Can you give me, Kevin? What is good smell? What smell
Smell
is
is
what smell is good?
chocolate.
A
Chocolate.
chocolate. Yeah. The aroma
Cake.
or the cake. Are you hungry?
Ball. Oh, ball.
Okay, okay. I see. All right, Kevin. What is the third one? Our sense of
Senses.
taste. Yeah, sense of taste.
Taste.
Right, right.
Eat the taste.
Yes.
I eat the meatball.
You eat noodles tonight?
Fried chicken. Fried chicken.
Fried chicken. Wow. Is that your favorite food?
Yes.
Yes. That's great. Sense of taste. Okay, we use what do we use to taste food? Which part of our body we use to taste food?
I use food is watermelon.
Again, my question is what part of our body? Okay.
Is
To taste the food. What part of our body we use to taste
I like taste. Is
that? Yeah, what part of that?
is a mấy cái lưỡi tiếng Anh là gì vậy? Mấy cái
It's
lưỡi tiếng Anh là gì vậy?
it's our tongue. Show your tongue. Yes, that's the third one, right? The third one. Okay. And what else? Sense of sight, smell, taste, and our ears. What's the use of our ears?
Here is here.
Yes, sense of hearing. Sense of
Um,
hearing.
the bat here is a loud sound.
Yes, the soft and the loudness of the sound is can be heard
Good
through our
morning,
ears.
yeah.
Yes. Look, Kevin, if I sing Happy Birthday, Kevin, is it soft or loud?
It is soft.
Soft, yeah. It's not irritating to the ear, so that's why it's soft.
Next.
Next, sense of
Hands.
sense of
Hands.
touch. Sense of touch. Yeah, sense of touch. Okay? When we touch when we touch the ice, sense of feeling, sense of touch, yeah. We can sense, it feels.
It filters the everywhere.
Kevin, when you touch the ice, how do you feel?
I feel it
Yeah.
every
You feel cold? If you touch the ice. No, not this ice. I mean ice. I-C-E. Like this one. The spelling is I-C-E. If you
It's
touch,
very cold.
yeah, it's very cold. And if you accidentally burn your finger, how do you feel?
Is that
It feels hot,
hot?
right? It feels hot.
Not hot.
Hot. Okay, Kevin. Kevin, what are the five senses?
Okay. It's warm, not hot.
It's not hot. What are the five
Warm.
senses?
Warm is warm.
It's warm.
The finger is warm.
Oh, your finger. Yeah, I mean when you accidentally burn. When you get
And
burned. Get burned.
warm.
It's warm. Today's warm. Okay, so Kevin, let's learn. Let's learn the senses. Okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
I ready more is here.
What?
I có tiếng Anh là gì mẹ?
I
Already is.
You already learned this, but I was given the.
Yes.
You
I
already did this.
already
Oh, yeah,
okay.
because it was included here in the report that you already completed
Yes.
52 and 57.
So, but I already senses.
You're already done with the census. I see.
Yes.
I see.
Read
Okay.
up like that.
Ah, okay. Until here, amazing animal senses. Are you done with
Yes.
this too? Oh, okay. What page?
Yes.
What page are you now, Kevin?
Now.
Not
Now.
not this one.
Yes.
Not yet here.
Yes.
Okay. So what do you feel? What do you feel, Kevin?
You rough.
Rough. Yeah. What feels rough? Let's tick. I will put letters here. A, B.
Just take the rough.
Yeah, yeah. Kevin, does it feel rough?
Hey.
Yes. This feel rough?
No.
Yes, it is.
No, not rough.
Hmm?
Is this not rough? It's
This is
bomb.
rough. No, no,
No, it's bomb.
the yellow one is soft, but the green one is rough. The green one is rough. The yellow one is soft. Yeah, I used this when I was washing a dish. Okay? Teacher is washing dishes, so I know that this is rough. Okay?
Okay.
How about the teddy bear? Is it rough or soft?
Soft.
Soft. How
Soft.
about the fur? The pet's
Soft.
fur. Soft. Okay, good. Now, listen and say. We don't have listening there. Okay, I want you, instead of listening, you just say it. Can you read this?
Rough.
Rough.
Soft.
Sponge. Yeah, you
Soft.
see? This is
Soft.
sponge. The yellow one is sponge. This one is abrasive. That's why it's rough. This is rough, okay? Smooth. Say
Smooth.
again, smooth.
Smooth.
Next,
Able.
marble.
Half.
What's this?
Soft.
Hard and
Soft.
soft. Soft. Okay.
Soft.
What is this soft one? This is
This is rough.
man. This is this is rock. It's hard, right? Rock.
Yes.
How about this one? What is this? It's a
This is a rough.
bread. This is bread. That's why it's soft. Bread. The bun.
Yes, the rough.
Yes. Okay. Let's see. Look and match. Okay? Look and match. I will put letters. I will put letters. Let's say this is A. This is B. C.
A B.
You tell me the name. The words. I mean, you tell me the words, okay?
I is rough.
A is rough. A is rough.
Yes.
How about B?
B is uh, ah, B is B is not soft. B is smart.
C is
Smart.
hard.
Smooth.
Uh, what?
Now B is smooth.
B is smooth.
And C not hard.
C is not hard.
It's marble.
Okay, marble. Next.
D is soft.
B is soft. Oh, what is this?
Soft.
Yeah, what is this soft thing? Marsh?
Marshmallow.
Yeah, yummy, yummy marshmallow. Next, E.
Is hard.
Hmm?
Hard.
Hard. Then
Soft.
the sponge. Okay, let me see here. A is rough. Because, what is this?
Is it's a hole.
Yeah, it's rough because it's wood. Wooden type material. B is smooth. Okay. C is marble, right? D is soft. It's mallows, yeah. And E is hard because this is, what is E?
I don't know.
It's a stone.
It's a stove.
Stone, okay? It's a stone. Then the sponge. Yes, great job, Kevin. High five.
Yeah.
Yay. All right. Now, let's move to, can you give me an example of soft things aside from marshmallows? What is soft around you? Do you have anything soft around you? Can you show me, please? Soft
Yeah.
things. What? What is it? It's a, yeah, it's a pillow. Pillow is soft. Yeah. I also I also have one thing that's soft here.
But
It's
I have the two below. I sleep and mommy sleep. I sleep for mommy. I sleep.
where do you sleep?
I sleep and I and mommy sleep cùng nhau tiếng Ai vậy mẹ? Together.
Ah, you sleep in one room.
Yes.
I
And
see.
I sleep and mommy sleep together.
Okay. Mom and I sleep together. Say it. Mom and I sleep together.
Sleep together.
Yes. Okay. Now, Kevin, do you have anything around you that is hard? Can you show me something that's hard?
Ocean car.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's hard. It's really hard. Is that your car?
Yes.
Your toy car?
Ocean car.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, thank you for showing that. And how about anything that's smooth around you? Can you show anything that's smooth?
Blanket.
The blanket. Yeah, it's so smooth and soft. And how about anything that's rough? Roughly.
This is rough.
What is that?
It's a SU-35 in
Oh.
Vietnam.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay. So when the surface is rough,
Yes.
its surface is rough. Okay. It seems like you have lots of toys,
Yes.
vehicles. What's your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is Lego.
The Lego one. Oh, did you build some characters in a Lego form?
Yes.
What character is that?
Character nghĩa là gì vậy mẹ?
Oh, really?
Character is Octopus. Octopus.
Optimus Prime?
Yes.
Robot?
It's yellow.
It's yellow. Okay. Kevin, do you also like to read some comic books? Do you like reading?
No, I
No?
don't. I read a comic.
Oh, what do you like to do during in your free time?
I like playing a Lego.
Just playing and building Lego?
Yes,
Oh,
building and playing the Lego.
do you also play games online?
No,
No.
I play in the Lego. I chess.
Chest.
I chess.
Hmm.
Piano. Play piano.
Oh, you are
Play
also
piano.
you are also a musically inclined kid. You like to play piano. How long have you been playing the piano?
It's 1 hour. 1 hour.
No, I mean how
1 hour.
long? Since when did you started? What year did you started learning to play the piano?
For Elisa.
For?
For Elisa. For Para Elisa.
Uh, what?
Teacher here.
Okay.
Here.
Okay.
Mm, 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 mm.
Na-na-na-na, na-na-na. I think I am familiar with that. Yeah.
Yes.
My question to you is, at what age did you start playing the piano?
Yes.
What age?
Uh, what? What?
What age did you start playing piano? Are you 8 years old already, or are you 7 years old when you start playing piano?
8 years old.
You are just recently. Okay, I see. All right. So thank you, Kevin, for sharing something about you and for giving your full participation tonight. So,
But we have 2 minutes left.
yeah, but our allocated time per class is only 28 minutes. Okay? Thank
Okay.
you, Kevin. I'll see you again in our next meeting next week. Okay, good night.
Good night.
See you. Have a good night's sleep, dear. Bye bye.